In this video we're gonna see how to use Lisa software, which is list of scheduling algorithm, in order to solve brush and bound example. For a single machine we have the constraint of the release date, and we need to maximize the lateness, well, in a way to minimize the lateness, just to reduce it as much as possible. Okay, we're gonna find the minimum lateness considered, which is the L maximum, applying the earliest due date rule. Okay, so those are the data we have, and we're gonna consider it in a bit. Okay, so let's see what we should do. Let's see what we should do with those data using Lisa software. So if we open Lisa here, and then we problem type, we have a single machine, as you could see here. So it's a single machine, release date, and then we have L maximum. We have 4 jobs. Okay, so we're gonna enter the parameters of the job, as you would see here. So machine 1 processing time is 4:08 as a due date. Processing time for job 2 is 2, 1, 12, 6, 3, 11, 5, 5, 10. And we're gonna close this window, and all what you have to do with the algorithm is press and bound. We already have the input, so those are the final solution. So if you come to the lesson, you would see that the final solution in 2 seconds, and it is done as brush and bound. Okay, if you have a question, write to my email address. Thank you.